Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to meet Palel to go over everything. They say that SaM's supposed to heal your mind, much healing. Hello, can you heal me? I'm in Hollywood dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger than Hofshi. I've forgotten how it felt before the Olam fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I'm stuck on 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for every sin that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your toe. But it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tell you anymore. I mean, taho. Manishma. It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you're aware. Did you ever make it out of that kibbutz where nothing ever happened? It's no secret. The both of us are running out of money. Hello from the other side. I'm stuck on 1,000 times to tell you, Tori, for every sin that you've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your mask. But it don't matter, it clearly doesn't all apart. Oh, Taho, me Taho.
Doesn't teach you about now.
It doesn't tell you about it anymore. Lama, c'est incroyable.
No.
¿Qué pasó? Hello from the other side. I'm stuck on 1,000 times to sell you Tori for every sin that you've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your mask. But it don't matter, it clearly doesn't fall apart anymore. Oh, Taho, Senor Taho, Senor Chef Taho. so bare knees. I said, don't you worry, didn't think that I'll be broken down and crying. Help me, wrecked, checked, heart in debt. All you do is come around, just come here to collect. Wrecked, checked, told the debt. Don't you know that I cry tears of moss for you? See, keep believing for you. Collect my shekels and my dimes that you love when I cry platinum love for you. I'd give no less for you. Generosity's my enemy, so I'm broke and you're most rich because of me. This is my fault, gave a little too much. Know that this was going to happen, but I'm not gonna lie, you can make me cry 1,000 times. I keep coming back like, what is going on? My decision changed, hearts in debt. All you do is come around, just coming to collect. Wrecked, checked, told in debt. Don't you know that I cry tears of moss for you? I still keep believing for you. Collect my shekels and my dimes. That's what love is when you cry. Platinum love for you. I'd give no less to you. Generosity's my enemy, so I'm broken. You're most rich because of me. I'm back like a maniac. It's the worst part I can do it all again. I cry tears of gold for you. I'd give no less to you. Generosity's my enemy, so I'm poor and you're most rich because of me. Most rich. I know what it takes to fool this town. I'll do it till the sun goes down. Oh, through the night time. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what you want to hear. With my sunglasses on while I shed a tear. It's never the right man. Yeah. I put my amor on, show you how strong I am. I put my amor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable, I'm a tool with no chair. I'm invincible, yes I win every single game. I'm so gadosh, I don't need no ish לשחק. I'm so confident, I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today, unstoppable today, unstoppable today, unstoppable today. Break down, only alone I will cry out now. You'll never see what's hiding out, hiding deep down. Yeah. I know I've heard that to let the feeling short ice the only way to make חבר'ה let go, but I'm too afraid now. Yeah, I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable, I'm a door with no chair. I'm invincible. Yes, I win every single game. I'm so gadosh. I don't need no ash לשחק. I'm so confident. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. I'm unstoppable today. Unstoppable today. Unstoppable מחר. Unstoppable אתמול. Unstoppable שלשום. I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a Porsche with no brakes. I'm invincible. Yes, I win every single משחק. I'm so gadosh. I don't need no kodesh לשחק. I'm so confident. Yes, I'm unstoppable today. 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 I'm unstoppable today. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the AC ball. Listen to your left. It knows את כל מה שהיה בעבר. I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from that look in your eye. You build לעבוד, but לעבוד נופל apart. You lead a piece of haven. And down to your door. God is calling for you. Listen to your door. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know lama, but listen to God before you tell it goodbye. אוקיי, סיבוב הבא זה יהיה בשור. Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in the tide. They're swept away. Here's what it seems. Healing belongs on your arms. Listen to your rabbi when he's telling you to listen to your rabbi. There's nothing else you can do. Don't know where you're going, and I don't know lama. Listen to your rabbi before you tell him goodbye. B-U-Y-R-A-B-U-Y. They are selling you the lie. That's why the book is called SaM. Is it a top or is it a SaM? Who the fuck knows? These are voices that want to be heard. So much to mention, but they can't find the meaning. The scent of Key Som, the yofi that has been, it is yofi. When La'avon was wilder than to be seen. God, when it's calling for you, listen to your rabbi. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know lama, but listen to your rabbi. Before, listen to your rabbi. When he's calling for you, listen to your rabbi. There is nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, ואני לא יודע למה, but listen to your rabbi. טוב טוב, תקשיבו להם טוב טוב. Before אתה אומר לו ש it is a bye טוב, good bye. give time, להיזהר. שמוכן לך את הרע, יגידו לך שהם קונים את זה. אבל לא ליפול לשטויות האלה, זה כולה ליפול. זה החור של הפה, זה ליפול. לא להתרשם. זה כולה להגיד רע. תרשמו את השם של הרע. listen to your door. listen to the meaning in the Torah. I don't think where you are. Listen to your heart. Listen to your lamb. Listen to מגדל בלבל. לא כזה מורכב. Listen to your heart. Before you say, רבי, קניתי את השקר. זה כל שקרים. לא להאמין לשקרים. Listen to your heart. Listen to the heart שקוראים לו סין, להר סיני. בוא נראה. If it's a mystery, everyone must stand back. I hear you call Hashem and the feeling. When you don't pay your fee, you will get the healing. This is why we have the feeling. Because if you forget to pay your fee, you will get the lien. זה להמשכו מזה בית. When you call Hashem, it's like a little tefillah. I'm down on my birkine. I want you to take me there in the midnight sha'ah. Tefilling is your koach, just like a tefillah. You know I'll take you there. I hear your call. It's like a malach saying, I have no choice, I hear your call. Tefillin flying, I close my eyes. Oh Shaddai, I think no falling out of the sky. I close my eyes. Shaddai, please help me. When you call Hashem, it's like a little tefillah. I'm down on my birkayim. I want to take you there in the midnight sha'ah. Tefilling is your koach, just like a tefillah. You know I'll take you there like a yeled. Yell, Adim, whisper softly to me. You're beshlita, you're just like a yalda. Now lirkodin, it's like a chalom. Bli sof vebli atchala, you're here with me like a chalom. Amakela ishirin. When you call Hashem, it's like a little tefillah. I'm down on my birkayim. I want to take you there in the midnight sha'ah. Tefilling is your koach, just like a tefillah. You know I take you there. When I call Hashem, it's like a little tefillah. I'm down on my birkayim. I want to take you there in the midnight sha'ah. Tefilling is your koach, just like a tefillah. I know I'll take you there. אוקיי, מי רוצה לדעת מה זה לעבוד? על באמת לעבוד. בוא נשאיר מה זה לעבוד. זה מה שקוראים לזה עבודה. שאתה תבוא, אתה תגיד כן. Take a little זמן לחשוב things over. Better read between the Torah in case I need it when I'm zaken. זקנה. צירוף מקרים חמורים. זקנה, מה קורה בזה? מה קורה לך בזקנה? נכון, זקנה. אתה מתחיל להיות חולה. Mountain Almas לטפס. To feel like a world upon his ידיים. איך אומרים את זה? Through the cloud I see לעבוד sign. כיפורים as line goes all there. זה הכל there. Line. There's been COVID and pain. I don't know if I get a feeling again. Can't stop עכשיו. I'll double shofar to change this lonely life. I wanna know what לעבוד is. I want a shomer. I want to know what לעבוד is. זה לעבוד את השם בשמחה. אנחנו נשארים לו כל מיני פייגה לשירים עד מתי שנלמד את השם האמיתי שלה. בוא נעשה שיר פייגה. You are my קודש, the one desire, believe when I say I'll meet Let's our two worlds apart can't reach you when you say I want it that way. Tell me love ain't nothing but a Torah. Tell me love ain't nothing but a must. Give me why I never want to hear you say I want me sing again. Am I your Kodesh, your one desire? Yes, I know it's le'atki, but I want me sing. זה כולה מיסים. מה אני כבר מבקש? אתם נותנים להם, תיתנו גם לי. אם אתם כל כך אוהבים את המיסים, תיתנו לי גם כן. ביי ביי. ביי ביי ביי. I'm doing this alala. You're gonna probably start a מלחמה. I know this can be right, hey, Motel, come on. I love all you endlessly, and you weren't there for me. So now it's my love and make it alone. I know that I can't take the whole, ain't no lie. I wanna see you out that door, baby, bye, bye, bye. זה תקני או זה לקנות? אז הוא רוצה לקנות והיא רוצה לקנות והם רוצים לקנות והם רוצות לקנות, אבל הם קנו, הוא קנה, הם וכו', והם יקנאו והוא יקנה, אבל לקנות זה אותו דבר לכולם. כי אם אתה רוצה לקנות, אתה יודע בדיוק מה צריכים לעשות, זה נמצא שם במילים, זה לא מורכב. זה שפה מדהימה, מה שעשו לנו פה זה פשוט שפה, מה זה מדהימה, אבל לא מלמדים את זה בבית ספר, כי המורים לא יודעים, כי הם טמבלים. זה למה שמורים. סליחה, לא התכוונתי לזה בכלל, זה סתם בדיחה. This is for entertainment purposes only. You shout it out, but I can't hear your words you say. I'm thinking loud, not saying too much. לא יותר מדי. I'm criticized, but all your כדורים ריקושט. Shoot me down, but I guess I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, ricochet, take your aim. Fire away. טוב, בוא נעשה קצת גרמני. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, aus. fortune, and still you won't hear this going under. Don't want your hand this time, I'll save myself. Maybe I'll wake up for once. Not tormented, daily defeated by you. Just when I thought that I'd reached the door. Then again, I'm going under. Drowning in you. I'm falling forever. I'm falling forever. I've got to break through. I'm going limata. I push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only sin that slowly stops the but it's made of all the sins I have to take. Moses, it never ends. It works its way inside. If the pain goes on, shock on, shock, run. You are in shock, run. אז זה מתי שאומרים לנו שהכי טוב לשקר. כי אתה בשוק, אז משקרים, מסקרים. It's in my vision, I'm the way it is, my son alive. Now all I do is lose so much mass. I wish for this, I bitch for that, I left behind this little fact. You cannot kill what you did not create. If I say what I gotta say, then I swear I'll go away. But I can't promise you'll enjoy the noise. I'll just say the best for last. My future seems like one big back. You love me cause you love me with no choice. Push my fingers into my eyes. It's the only sin that solely stops the if the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. Back together, separate the kid from all, leave me all to pieces, then you can leave war. Tell you that reality is better than a chalom, but I found the hard way. Nothing is what they tell you, Hamudi, לא להתבלבל. Put my fingers into my ears. It's the only sin that slowly stops the ache. But it's made of all the sins I have to take. Moses, it never ends, but it goes way inside. If the game goes on, I'm not gonna make it. Oh my God. Oh my, what a God. What is it like? Oh my God. Oh my God is Michigan. Oh my God. Oh my God is insane. 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 Oh my God. Oh my God, you missed you. Ga. She I'll put my fingers into my It's the only head that slowly stops the but it's made of all the sins I have to take. Moses, זה לא נגמר. It works this way לבתוכה. If the pain goes on, I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. הקלטה, שתזכרו את הכל. Oh my God! Oh my God, משיק את Oh my God! Oh my God, הוא משוגע! Oh my God! Oh my God, he's insane! Oh my God! He's insane! Insane. תחזרו על זה, למה לא? עד מתי שתשתגעו. זה כולה שיגעון. אי אפשר להיות משוגע בלי שיגעון. תגעונה, אני אומר לך. This world will never be what I expected. And if I don't belong, who would have guessed it? I will not leave alone every sin that I own to make you feel like it's not too late, it's never too late. Even if I say it will be alright, still I hear you say you want to end your line. And now and again we try just stay alive. Maybe we'll turn it all around, cause it's le'at kill, it's never much kill. No one will ever see the Torah reflected. And if there's something wrong, who would have guessed it? And I am left alone, every sin that I own, to make you feel like it's not too late, it's never too late. Even if I say it will be alright, still I hear you say you want to end your life. Now and again we try just to stay alive. Maybe we'll turn it all around, cause it's not too late, it's not too late. The world we knew won't come back. The man we embodied knew can get back. The toll we won't be ours again. This goal will never be what I expected. ואם אני לא שייך, even if I say yes, still I hear you say you want to end all. Now I'm in again just to stay alive. Maybe we'll turn it all around, cause it's not le'at kill, it's never le'at kill. Maybe we'll turn it all around, cause it's not le'at kill. Maybe mat is kill, mat kill. It's not mat kill, it's le'at kill. It is a slow death, okay? Le'at is a slow. The kill is how we get to death. Le'at kill is a very very slow death. וזה מה שהתורה אוהבת לעשות, זה להתקיל אותנו. עד מתי שנרצה תקוף הקקת משיגן את אויכה. הביסי ליידיש. Here we go. Hello darkness, my old חבר. I've come לדבר again. Because a vision softly creeping left sidurim while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my rosh עדיין נשאר בתוך צליל השקט. In restless dreams I walked לבד נראו רחובות של אדמה בני beneath the halo of a street lamp, I turned my Torah to the raw and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flesh of a neon tahor that split the nights and touched the core shel sheket. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shout. And no one say there, Lela say there. Disturb the sound shel avdut. מסטולים said, אני לא יודע, אולי שקט גודל כמו קנסר, מה, גרו? אני אלך לגרו אס? In my words that I ללמד. take my ידיים לחזק, בת מילותיי שקטות כמו גשם, and echoed in the wells shel avdut. And the people mountain prayed to Uncle Sam made, and the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was falling, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on subway laws and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound, shake it, בבקשה שקט. אני לא אומר שתהיו בשקט, אני מזמין אתכם שקט. את הצ'קים, את המס, המיסים ואת הכסף וכל הדברים האלה שגדלנו עם הטכנולוגיה הכי חשובה בחברה שלנו. זה הטכנולוגיה הכי חשובה. היא לא מתקדמת בשיט, אתם לא טועים לעצמכם למה? לא יודע גם. זה יותר מדי מאוחר חברים, צריכים להתכונן לאפוקליפס עכשיו, it's the great unveiling. I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the Adama. And I'm hearing what you אומר, but I just can't make a smiרה. You tell me that you need me, then you go חותך me down. אבל תחכי, you tell me that you תוריד, think I will להסתובב ולומר. Now it's too late to apologize. It's too late. אמרתי, it's too late to apologize. זה לא חושב זה apologize. It's too late. עכשיו, מה עם השפה? במקרה, מסתירה את האמת. I take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. עשיתי את זה לפני 2000 שנה. I need you like a Thor needs a rock, but it's nothing חדש. לעבוד את הקודש אדום, now it's turning כחול, ואתה אומר לי, sorry like a malach, even let me think was you. אבל אני פחדון. It's too late to apologize. חברים, it's too late. It's too late. I said it's too late, חברים, it's too late. די. צריכים להתכונן לאפוקליפס. כל יום אנחנו מתקרבים. And you should have known this. כי הסימנים הם בכל חור וחור, בכל דור ודור ובכל תור ותור. אז יאללה. I want you to know that the door is very high. I wish nothing but the mass for your eye. Not the version of me, is she a sultan like me? Would she go down on you in a detail? Titpalel, she speaks very eloquently. And would she have your tinoki? She make a really excellent ima. Cause love all you gave to me that make me wasn't able to take enough. Tough kid. Tough kid. Tough. Kid. חברים, זה tough kid. קוראים לזה a second chance. לצחוק על השטויות שכתובים בסבל שמספר לנו את כל הזבל שלנו. זה הבד version. תחכו בבקשה. As I find the better. הנה זה הבד version. I do מתנצל. I am not selling the meat or the nut. מתנצל. Eyes are open wide. By the way, I made it through the door. I watched the world outside. By the way, I'm leaving out today. I just saw Haley, summer shooting. Say, why you always running in place? Even the dude in the Yarech disappeared. So we're in the stratosphere. Tell my Ima, tell my Abba, I've done the best I can to make them realize this is Torah. I hope they understand. I'm not coerced, I'm just Omer. Sometimes goodbye is a second sikuy. Please don't cry one door for me. I'm not pachdan of what I have lomar. This is my one and only call, so listen close. It's only for Hayom. I just saw Haley shooting. Said, why you always shakran?